I'ma need a propeller. Fly when it's cold on the wall like a sweater. When I'm high and I'm changing the weather.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. So jumping right into the tutorial, I'm just starting off with my basic wig cap routine. Nothing major, but this time I did do something a little different. You're gonna see here in a little bit I use glue. Usually I just use regular got2b spray, but I use glue on my hairline and then I put spray a little bit farther back, and the glue that I'm using is Bold Hold Active. So I ordered this wig from Amazon. This is my first time wearing like a deep curly wig, but I actually really like this wig. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below if you want to check it out. So now that I cut all the cap off, I'm just going to be using this powder. Now this powder was a little bit too light, so you'll see a little bit later that the foundation that I'm using to put on the lace, I ended up going back in and putting that on the cap too because that matched me better. So here I'm just trying on the wig so I can see exactly where the hairline is, so I know where I need to put the glue. And then after that I'll just use my hot comb to press everything back so the hair's out of the way, and then I'm just gonna cut off the extra lace. Okay, so now I'm going to use the bolt hold active to secure the lace, and I'm doing about 4 layers of this. I think I only showed me doing 2, but you want to make sure that you spread everything out and it's a nice even layer, and make sure it's completely dry before you put your lace down in it. Like if it's still white, don't do it, wait. And then blow dry on cool, and then once you like lay the lace down and press it into your skin, you want to blow dry it on warm. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut off the extra lace using my razor. You can use, you know, your shears or whatever, but I like using the razor. I feel like it gets a good jagged edge and makes it look natural. So right here, I'm just about to define my part. At first, I was going for a middle part, but as you can see in the intro, I ended up going for a side part. I just wasn't feeling the middle part. It didn't really look right on me, I feel like. But after this clip, I'm just going to show you how I did my baby hairs, and my camera did cut off on me, and you'll see that a little bit later on, so sorry. But after I recorded, I ended up going back in and plucking a little bit more on the hairline to make it look more natural, and I did my baby hairs kind of a different way, but you'll see that at the end. So y'all are gonna see here in a little bit, I was kind of struggling with the baby hairs. So while my phone was charging, I went ahead and finished those, and like I said, I plucked a little bit more. And so I ended up recording the outro on another day, and I'm just going to show y'all the texture of the hair and how I ended up styling the hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and like I said, I'll leave all the details on the hair down below.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You get.
I wanna see you do better. Fly, I'ma need a propeller. Fly when it's cold on the wall like a sweater.